A lot of people want to know the update kung ano na ba nangyari sa akin after I uploaded this and this and this video. Ngayon, kitang-kita naman sa title na somehow I reached my 7-digit income. A lot of people saying na this seems too impossible, this seems too good to be true. But for me, ayun din yung akala ko dati. Akala ko dati when I'm starting na makakapag-travel ako on different countries, makakabili ako ng gantong suit, makakakuha ako ng gantong cellphone, makakabili ako ng mga burloloy sa katawan ko na nakikita nyo ngayon, makakabili ako ng gantong laptop. After mga 5 years, 10 years pa, little did I know na if I just sacrifice everything right now, somehow I can be efficient and mas makukuha ko pa siya in less than a year. So ako, surreal pa rin sa akin eh. When I say surreal, unbelievable pa rin sa akin kung ba't nangyayari to. And one thing that helps me a lot is that whenever I set a goal, I will make sure I will achieve it no matter what happens. To the point na sinabi ko kay Coach Frank na I want to work for free with him or with his team.
Kahit mag-work ka for free, basta gusto mo lang makagain ng knowledge, experience, at skills.
But little did they know na I also messaged him na I want to be under his wings.
Nung nag-chat ka sa akin na sinabi mo na pumunta sa under my wings, sabi mo yun, exact words mo yun.
So technically, I want to be a part of his circle just for me to learn more. And somehow, I achieve it in terms of being a verified MSB coach. At the same time, hanging around, meeting after meeting, country after country, places after places with the one and only Coach Franklin Miano. And sa akin, lahat naman ng estudyante tinuruan niya. Not specifically tinuruan niya in person, but technically tinuruan niya sa MSB course. Lahat naman kami pare-pares ng video na napanood. Pero one thing I know is that not all of the students have the same drive as mine. Not all of the students have the same drive as the people who is inside the MSB Millionaires Club. At based on my experience, like what I've said, I've experienced being in the rock bottom, nag-uulam ng asin, mantika, with asin, nag-uulam ng bangus, ng chichirya, na yung tipong hindi mo pakakagatin, titikman mo muna, tas kanin para hindi mo agad maubos. Bumibili ng mga tutong sa karinderya kasi mas mura yon. Being at the rock bottom is somehow challenging for me. Kasi at the end of the day, mahirap siya. But what I notice sa sarili ko is that kahit anong situation na nandun ako, I'm always grateful. Naalala ko nga nun, whenever we will have lunch na mother ko, kakain kami. Pag may juice lang or tang lang or nesty sa pagkainan, sobrang saya na, parang fiesta, parang birthday yan na. I don't know if some of you can relate to me, but sa akin ganun lang dati kababaw yung happiness ko. Like doon super saya ko na. And being on that situation, I'm grateful and I'm happy. And even though yung nag-struggle ako, nag-work ako for free with anyone na alam ko makakatulong sa growth ko, masaya ako and grateful ako kasi somehow I make a progress every single day. And sa akin na yun yung nagiging limitation ng ibang tao eh, na they are not grateful. They don't see the blessings, the smallest blessing na nangyayari sa kanila every single day. Such as, magising ka lang na maaga, super blessings na yun. Yung iba hindi na nagigising eh. But why most of us is somehow feel unblessed pa rin, di ba? So para sa akin, always have that mindset na always feel blessed, always feel grateful. If you are not grateful on the smallest blessings, bakit ka pa niya bibigyan ng mas bigger blessings? And sa akin, one thing I learned on that process, on somehow gaining 0 to 20K, 20K to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 500, 500 to even 1 million plus income, is that learn how to be patient. Learn to enjoy the process. Learn to enjoy the sacrifices. Learn to suffer. Because as the law of opposite said, kung ano yung nangyayari sa presence, opposite nun ang mangyayari sa future. Therefore, if nahihirapan ka sa presence on your future self, mas madadalian siya. That's why I always sacrifice my now for me to enjoy later. And I think this is not the later. This is just the starting point of my journey, and I want you to see all of my journey as in. I guarantee you, Bibili tayo ng bahay, bibili tayo ng kotse, bibili tayo ng sports car, bibili tayo ng marami pang iba at dahil dun sa mga nabili natin at dahil dun sa kinikita natin, makakatulong pa tayo ng madami. At ayun yung gusto ko. Actually, this YouTube channel is meant for my viewers, it's meant for strangers, it's meant for everyone. Kasi I promise you and I promise to myself and to the universe na lahat ng kikitain ng YouTube channel ko is ipamimigay ko at bibidyohan ko siya para ipakita sa inyo na yung suporta nyo sa akin ay hindi mawawala lang sa kung ano-anong bagay, kundi mapupunta sa mga taong mas nangangailangan, sa mga taong nagsisimula at sa iba pa. So with that being said, I know this is early but let me enjoy the taste of hard work and sacrifices that I did in these past few months. With that, I want to make this transition, this crazy transition, and I want you to be part of it. So when I say 1, 2, and 3, I want you to all see the sacrifices that I did in the next couple of months. So let's all say MSB Handball!
The most improved, Carl Louis Vicente.
So yun nga, kitang-kita nyo naman na naka-attend na tayo sa MSB Ball since we achieve our 7 figures sa multi-servicing business. So technically, I think medyo delayed. Medyo delay ka. Actually, ayoko talagang kunin yung plug ko. The reason for it is, as much as possible, ayokong maraming may makaalam kasi maraming pwedeng mangutang. At the same time, wala. I'm not type of person na ayokong, alam mo yun, i-publish yung mga results ko. But since somehow, nag-MSB Ball, so we achieved this one. Ano mamaya i-unbox natin before the end of this video. But on the other hand, nagkaroon din tayo, I think, if I'm mistaken, ako lang yung may award nito. Out of all MSB students, nag-iisa lang siyang award. And I don't know if meron pa kasi hindi naman tayo sobrang tagal na sa MSB. Neto lang tayo eh. So this award is technically the most improved award. So technically, nasulat dito is, this is to award the student who has made the most progress over the year from zero to hero. Your dedication and exceptional performance have immensely contributed to our success. So technically, this is the award of most improved, and I don't know if I'm the only one who do have this one, but I'm very grateful for it. So before we unbox the MSB 7 figures, which is siguro nakita nyo naman sa mga b-roll, but for the sake of this video, we will formally unbox it to this video. But like what I've said before we hop on that, I just want to acknowledge you guys na mga nanonood pa rin up to this video. Siguro some of you is na-inspired, but if you are someone who is eager to pursue the things that you love, but it's not only what you love, but it is something you need, which is for you to take action. So, sa akin, you are not doing yung mga gusto mo lang. You are taking action out of it. Medyo magulo siya, pero what I'm trying to point out is that madami kasi sa atin na marami tayong gusto sa buhay. Marami tayong gusto ma-achieve. Pero sobrang baba lang ng level of actions natin. And ako, siguro naman with this kind of award that I do have, which is the most improved award, one thing I do to achieve this kind of results, not just this award but also on my own self, like na-improve ko exponentially yung sarili ko, how I think, how I speak, how I do my service, how I manage people, how I automate, how I build up more system. Isa sa mga ginawa ko na tumulong sa akin para ma-achieve yung gantong kabilis na resulta is to act fast. So I always act fast. Whenever I do have certain ideas, I do acquire a certain knowledge, technically, ina-apply ko na siya as fast as I can. So to be honest, isa lang yun sa mga ginagawa ko for me to improve in the fastest way as possible. But ayun nga, alam ko marami na nag-aabang sa inyo. Let's unbox this one, no? Let's set aside this one and let's open this MSB 7-figure club. So actually, hindi ko naman siya first time na nakita. Siyempre, tingnan ko siya agad. But as you can see here, is eto, yung letter of appreciation. Congratulations on hitting 7 digits of income. We hope you to take a moment to reflect on everything it took to reach such an extraordinary milestone. This plaque stands as testament to all your hard work, sleepless nights, and relentless determination. All you have achieved is the sheer results of your dedication and hard work. Thank you for letting us be a part of your journey. We're proud to join you in celebrating this remarkable achievement, and I hope you will do more and more great things in the future. So definitely we will achieve more for sure yan. And one of my target before we pull out this thing is that on the next MSB ball, I guarantee you guys that I will earn the 8-digit plaque. So technically, onting mekos-mekos lang naman insan, no? Malapit na. Pero yun nga, on the next MSB ball, for sure yan, makakuha na natin yung 8 figures of plaque natin. And if I'm not mistaken, it is the accumulation of 10 million Philippine pesos. So technically, we're rooting for those. And ayun yung mga next step natin. And definitely, tuturo ko rin naman yan, no? At gusto nyo malaman kung saan ko siya tinuturo ng libre, walang bayad, I will say that by the end of this video. But ayun nga, technically, ito rin yung mga pictures. Nandito rin, ito yung free pictures sa MSB Ball. Ito, may nagpa-picture sa akin, si Tropa. Ito, mga MSB verified coach. Yan, ito kaming lahat. Wala lang si Coach Frank kasi nga busy pa siya that time, nag-aayos pa siya. But this is the plaque itself. So dati, alam nyo, nakikita lang natin siya sa video. Actually, ayoko naman ipekiin na na-surprise ako. Pero kasi sa akin, I'm not surprised eh. Kasi before I started my journey, I know I will achieve this thing. Hindi ko pa alam noon kung kailan. Kumbaga, I just know in my own self, like hindi ko niloloko yung sarili ko na ma-achieve ko siya within a year. So, thankfully, less than a year na-achieve natin siya ng mas mabilis. But, ayun nga. So, technically, membership into 7-figure club for earning over 1 million with multi-servicing business. Carl Vicente, member since November 2022. So, technically, matagal na akong member, no? November 2022 pa. Pero, nag-seryoso lang ako, to be honest, nung January, February, around that area. So, ayun, just to give you an idea, quick background, and if gusto nyong malaman o makita yung backstory ko at kung paano ako nag-start sa MSB ko, nandiyan lang yan, makikita nyo yan sa card, sa taas, or by the end of this video, makikita nyo yung playlist of MSB, mapapanood nyo doon yung buong journey ko. But yeah, this is the plaque, at yung likod, pure black, but okay siya pang display, pero sa akin, mas okay yung pere. Ayun talaga yun eh. Kumaga, ito, makakapagpagawa ka na ito kung gusto mo. Pero yung pera, ayun talaga yun, guys. Hindi ko na kayo lolokohin. Ayoko na mag-sugarcoat. Ayun talaga yung masaya. But, ang pinakamasaya doon is yung matreat mo yung family mo. Yung matreat mo yung girlfriend mo, yung sarili mo. Like ako, kasama ko, si Coach Frank. Nag-Thailand kami together. After no, nag-Cambodia with my own expense. Habang nag-work ako. Don't get me wrong, hindi niya ako nilibre si Coach Frank is hindi yan laging naka-spoon feeding. Baka isipin nyo kasi, tanga na ito si Carl, ini-spoon feed lang yan ni Frank, blah blah blah. Hindi ako ni-spoon feed. Kinakamusta niya lang ako siguro twice a week, ganyan. Kumusta ka na? Ano ng progress mo? But wala naging special treatment. So, purely, MSB, pinanood ko. At after napanood ko yung MSB, nag-aral pa ako ibang bagay. Kasi, learning never stops eh. Hindi naman porket natapos mo yung course is kung ano lang yung knowledge na nabigay sa'yo ng course, ayun na yun. Kumbaga sa akin, kung kaya ko siyang dagdagan, dinadagdagan ko siya through other courses, sa mga freebies, at the same time, sa YouTube din, no? Minsan nanonood din ako sa mga YouTube. But, mainly, ang ina-apply ko talaga is, as much as possible, learn so much stuff. But ayun nga, ganun siya, bukod doon, bukod dito, ang pinakamaganda, ayun nga na-treat ko yung sarili ko, nakapag-travel ako, 2 country na in this year, tapos this November, ang date kasi natin ngayon is November something eh. So, November 11, ang flight ko sa Hong Kong. Then, after nun, Macau naman. Then, after Macau, yun, Philippines na. And Christmas. Hindi ko pa sure if matutuloy yung Taiwan. Pero, ayun, technically, almost 3 to 4 countries in just 1 year. And hindi nga in just 1 year. Kumbaga, in the span of 3 months. But, ayun yun. Kumbaga, at this young age, I'm in my 20s. Super early 20s, no? Sa mga katanang edad ko. Super early 20s. Is that nararanasan ko na yung mga ganito. Na, kagaya na sabi ni Coach Frank, di ba? Ako, humingi lang naman ako ng access sa kanya. At the same time, ang sinabi ko sa kanya, I want to be under his wings. At marami nagtatanong sa inyo, paano mo ba nagawa yon? At the same time, paano mo ba na-achieve itong gantong resulta? Bakit ikaw lang yung may most improved? Bakit over the year na ikaw yung pinaka-most improved, ano yung ginawa mo na hindi ko ginawa? Anong ginawa mo na hindi ginawa ng ibang MSB student? Anong ginawa mo na hindi ginawa ni ganto, ni ganyan? So sasabihin ko yan lahat, kagaya na sinabi ko, sa free coaching na nilalunch ko. So technically, it's a free coaching wherein somehow I teach you the fastest way to earn real money. When I say real money, ayun yung beyond your expectation na kaya mong kitain. And ayun nga, tinuturo ko din kung paano yung mga ways ko kung paano ko to na-achieve. Although, let's be honest, no, hindi naman lahat na nandun na. Pero grabe naman, makikita nyo naman yung mga testimonials.
I got my first ever job as a video editor.
So in total, 10 plus international clients na ang inandun ng team ko ngayon.
Thank God, with the help of Coach Carl, almost with my 3 to 4 clients. Currently, I almost reached 6 digits. Just a discrepancy on the 2 digits.
So in total, 4 na yung international clients ko.
I'm almost reaching my 6-digit client. And recently lang nakapag-close ako ng 50K a month. And
after ng coaching namin, 1 week nakakuha na ako agad ng first client ko at tuloy-tuloy pa.
If gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko na-achieve yung gantong lasting awards, marami pang awards, at the same time, yung income na meron ako ngayon, kung paano nandun ako sa sitwasyon na nakakapagbigay opportunity sa mga video editor, sa mga hindi nakakahanap ng client, nakapagturo ko ng knowledge sa ibang tao, make sure to check out the description. Nakalagay dyan yung link kung saan nilalunch ko yung free coaching program almost every single week. Lagi-lagi yan. So, it is just for free. Walang mawawala sa'yo, wala kang gagastusin. Kailangan mo lang mag-take action right now, makinig, matuto, at i-apply ang mga natutunan. But like what I've said, apply law of attraction with action. As much as possible, when you attract things, you also take action out of it. And ayun nga, siguro, I just want to somehow take a moment for me to be grateful dito sa mga na-achieve ko so far at sa mga ma-achieve pa natin. At kagaya na sinabi ko, super eager akong matulungan ka. At kung gusto mong matulungan kita, just check the description. Makikita mo doon yung link for the free coaching program and I will see you there. Goodbye and don't forget to support local.